Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison between this accounting software, which is Puzzle.io and Sage. So we're going to review the capability of each platform, the strength, the weakness of these two platforms to help you make an informed decision about which of these software will be a better accounting software for you to use in 2025. So to get started with this overview of these two platforms, Puzzle.io is a smart next generation accounting platform tailored for startup and high growth companies. It focuses on real-time financial data, automation, and seamless integration with a modern business tools. Sage, on the other side, is a long-established accounting solution that offers a scalable tools for small to enterprise-level business, including features for inventory and payroll, tax, compliance, and reporting. Now, talking about the strength and weakness of the Puzzle.io. So the strength when talking about the strengths, it has a real-time financial dashboard and automated reconciliation. It also integrates with tools like Stream, Gesture, and major banks. It's also designed for CFOs and financial teams in fast-growing companies. Now, talking about the weakness, which is drawback for this platform, it has an expensive and not ideal for small traditional business. It is too expensive for them. It also has limited features for payrolls, inventory, or tax compliance. Still a relative new with involving support and ecosystem. So that's just the downside for this platform. So talking about the Sage, with the maximum strength, it has a comprehensive features for accounting, inventory, payroll, and tax. This has a suitable for various industries and business size, together with the strong compliance and report capabilities. Now, talking about the drawback of this platform, which is the Sage, its interface can feel outdated or less intuitive. The setup can be complex, especially for first-time users, and also has a limited real-time automation compared to modern competitors. So here's my overall conclusion and comparison about these two platforms. So you can simply choose Puzzle.io if you are a startup or a high growth company needing a real-time financial clarity and seamless automation about your business. And also on the other side, you can simply go for Sage if you are looking for a trusted features rich accounting platform that can scale with your business and support industry standard compliances. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and about the comparison. Thanks.